What's up, guys? It's Ben. How's everyone doing today? We're going to be unboxing a new Victorinox knife. This is a special edition Christmas Victorinox. I'm very excited about this. Like I said before, I only have one Victorinox, which is kind of sad. I see people with pictures of these and they have like every single color from 1995, and that's how I want to be starting in 2020. If the world keeps going, supposedly we're in the apocalypse, but hope not, because I want to buy more knives. Let's do it. Oh, that didn't go in there very well at all. Okay. Hopefully we didn't stab something important there. I think there's some type of plastic packing material in there. Okay. Paper's going to be tricky. Give me 1 second. Oh, never mind. Nope. It's sitting right there on top for us. Oh my gosh. Look at this box, guys. Can adjust this camera just a little bit. Winter Magic Special Edition 2020. I think I paid about $65 for this, and it's a larger version than this. This is the Cadet. This is the Pioneer, so it has scissors and whatnot. Let me close this before I poke myself. Isn't that just magical? Winter magic? Oh man, this is so cool. I think this is still available right now if you really want it. Now, I know y'all saw that charm. I'm going to be installing that real quick, but let's... Oh, yeah. Let's compare it, actually, to the Cadet. Everybody has seen a Cadet. Definitely a bigger blade. See if we can focus in on that. Swiss-made, Victorinox, stainless. That's what it says on all these bad boys. So you can see how much thicker it is, because this has bottle opener, can opener, nail file. Everyone's seen a can opener before. It won't come out. Okay. So you got your blade in this one. That's really smooth too. They put the attention to detail on these, I can tell. It's gonna rip my fingernail off trying to do it. I need to cut them anyway. Now for the... Okay, to get to the scissors... How do you get the scissors out? You know what? This fingernail is only weird because it got cut with a knife actually the other day. I don't know what I was doing. But yes, I just clipped a fingernail in the middle of my video. I want to be able to open this thing properly. Okay, now, oh, there it is. I'm like, where is the thing? And then there's also a reamer right here. Kind of a sewing needle type device. And that's everything. Y'all have seen everything on it. Bottle opener, can opener, reamer, blade, scissors. Nice scissors. Let's put this charm on there real quick. As y'all can tell, I like the Victorinox with a charm so I don't lose it. Because if I just put that in my pocket, it's going to slide out. I'm going to lose it. Okay, really? Sometimes getting out a knife makes things more difficult. Good gosh, that thing looks like a diamond. Can hardly see it on camera. Why is it so shiny? It's just like mirror polish. That's why it looks like that. It's not blue or anything. That blue is reflecting off of somewhere. And it's cool because it just has a little clip. It's not really much of an installation. I'm just clipping it on there. Oops. Okay. That's how she goes, boys. No, that's the way she goes, boys. That's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple little unboxing review on the Victorinox Pioneer Winter Magic Edition. I definitely recommend getting one of these if you're a big Victorinox collector. Trying to look at what this is. It's just kind of folded up cardboard. Let's see if it says anything. Just tells you how to use a Pioneer. It's not like a special... Yeah, it's not like a special Winter Magic paper or anything like Spyderco does. But cool. I'm very happy. Money well spent. Now I have 2 Victorinox knives, but they're both special editions, so I should probably get one that's just plain. But I don't mind using my stuff. Both of these are going to get carried and used and beat up because they look better like that. Guess we could do a little paper cut test real quick. It's not grabby like a Spyderco. Is this thing really dull? What in the world? Let's try a normal cut now. It's not that sharp. This one showed up much, much, much sharper. And it still is. This one will go right through some paper. Okay, all right. They're about the same. I guess I overestimated this one's sharpness. They're not that sharp, honestly. I remember this one showing up like a razor. I have used it a lot. It needs to be stropped a little bit. I actually feel a little